Hey girls and boys, it's Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Very excited to be with you because we have a couple projects for you to work on this week. The first project is going to be called Dream Wardrobe. Okay, so basically the idea is you're going to go and find clothes that you would love to have and add up the cost of this wardrobe. But the challenge is that the cost of all the clothes and whatever else you want to get that you might wear, it could be jewelry or hats or whatever, has to add up to between $490 and $500. Okay, so let me show you the slides that you'll be working with. So it's called Dream Wardrobe, okay, and you'll put your name right there, all right, and this is the introduction. All right, so it says, pretend you've just won a $500 shopping spree to buy a brand new wardrobe so you can finally have some of the coolest clothes available today. Go online to your favorite department stores and find at least 15 items or more to buy for $500 without going over. So you can't go over. You can't spend more than $500 because that's the amount you've been given. Your total must be between $490 and $500. Sorry. There will be no tax, but you may purchase clothing items and accessories, right? So belts, jewelry, shoes, etc. You can purchase. Okay. So here's what you do: find a Google image for each clothing item. Also include the price of each item you decide to purchase. One item per slide. I'll show you an example. The last slide should include a picture of all your math calculations that you perform to show your total is between $490 and $500. So I'll show you what that, you can just use, honestly, you can just use a piece of paper. I printed this out, just as Dream Wardrobe Calculations, right? And so at the end, this is where you show your work. When you're totally done, you take a picture of it and you post it to your last slide. All right, so let me get myself out of here again. I don't know, to be honest. I'm an old guy. I don't know where you guys like to shop. But just to get you started, I included links to Macy's for boys and girls and to Old Navy for boys and girls. Okay, so just to get you started, you might have other places that you like. That's fine. So here's an example. Like here's an image of a polo shirt. Right, that costs $20. Okay, so you would put the Google image in and you would indicate how much it costs. So each slide, you're going to have a bunch of blank slides, right? So on each slide, you write down what it is, give the image, and then how much it costs. Okay, and there's a bunch of blank ones for you to add that into. Something else I want to point out to you guys is this. So I'm just going to click on Macy's Boys. And it's going to take me to their website. All right, so I'm in Macy's. Here, get my habit. Macy's Boys. Now, you may like some of this stuff, you may not. That's not the point right now. But so let's look at this sweatshirt right here, okay? It's on sale for $38.50. Okay? So you don't write down the cents, just write down the dollar amount. So you could just write down $38. To be honest, you always round up, right? Remember we talked about that? So that would be like $39. But either way is fine. You could either put, I guess to be safe, boys and girls, let's round up for the most part. So let's say that would be like $39, right? So here, this shirt costs $27.65, right? So we would round that up to $28, right? This one's $8.64, round it up to $9. Because you don't want to be under, then you won't have enough money. Okay, so when it comes to money, let's round up. Looks like it's rare that you would find something like 20 cents or something. And sometimes it'll just say, like this one, $30. It's cool, Adidas. $30, just write down $30. Okay? So I just wanted to point that out. So listen, boys and girls, have fun with this, okay? You're gonna have today, Monday, and Tuesday to work on it. So you have 2 days to work on it. If you're in cohort B, this is the only project you'll have because it's just a 2-day week because it's Thanksgiving. Cohort A, you'll have another project that you'll work on later in the week. All right, have fun, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.